In this video, we are discussing class and objects in Java. In this demonstration, we shall discuss class and object in Java. So here the name of the class is student, and this particular class is having three member variables of the student class, and their string name, int id, and string major. So as here we haven't mentioned them that they are under a private scope or public scope, that means they are in the default scope. So here we are having one method. The name of the method is setName. From the name of the method, it is quite obvious that it will take one string as input and which will set the name instance variable here. And similarly for set major, it takes a string as input argument and it initializes the major instance variable. And the display method is actually printing the name, id, and the major, and in this way all the three instance variable contents will get printed using this display method. So here the name of the program is class object.java. You can find that this particular class is having class object.java. You can easily find that in the same Java source code we have declared two classes. One is the class student and another one is the class object. So what will happen if we define multiple classes in the same Java program, in the same Java source code, then one of the classes will be of the type will be under the scope public, and main function will be defined in one of the classes only. So this public static void main string array args, and here we have defined two objects under the student class, and those two objects have got instantiated, memory spaces have got allocated, and they have got instantiated by using new student class constructor. Now we are using the set name, we are using the set major to initialize the name and the major instance variables, and directly we are writing s1.id is equal to 1021 to instantiate or to initialize this id instance variable. So similarly we have done the same for the s2. S2 is another object under the class student and which has got instantiated using the constructor of the student class. And now we are going for the s1.display and s2.display methods. So let us go for the output. So the student name Joy has been printed, the student ID 1021, and major subject here computer science, and in this case the name and the ID and the subject has got printed, and they have got printed after calling the method s1.display method and s2.display method. So in this way we have discussed that how the Java, in case of Java, how we can define one class and then how to define objects under the class and access class members.